Hello everyone, this is Prashant. Welcome back to my channel. Today in this session, we will solve some problems on application of integrals. So first question. So this question was asked in JEE Advanced Year 2018. So what is the question? This is a very simple question. As soon as the students see this, they get confused or they neglect this question. So but this is a very simple question which is based on the topic or the concept application of integrals. So let me explain you the question. The farmer F1 has a land in the shape of a triangle with vertices P, Q, R. So P 0, 0, Q 1, 1 and R 2, 0. First plot those points. So vertices of a triangle, what they have given na? Plot those points. So this could be, this is 0, 0, that is point P, and here will be point R, that is 2, 0, and this will be point Q, that is 1, 1. So when you join this, you get a triangle. So this is the land which is in the shape of a triangle. So from this, what he says, from this land, a neighboring farmer F2 takes away the region which lies between the side PQ, and the curve y is equal to x to the power n. So y is equal to x to the power n could be a parabola, so I can take that curve to be this one. This could be the y is equal to x to the power of n, and n is greater than 1 they are saying. So now, if the area of the region taken away by the farmer F2, that is this region, the region taken away by the farmer F2 is this region. This region is 30% of the area of the triangle. 30% of area of the triangle. If this is the condition, then what is the value of n they are asking? If this is the condition, then what is the value of n? So we can make use of the condition that the shaded region, the shaded area is 30% of area of the triangle. Yes, the shaded area is 30% of area of the triangle, that is 30 by 100. 30% percentage is always for 100. 30 by 100 into area of the triangle is half into this base is 2 into, and height is 1. So this could be 30. This could be 30 divided by 100. So 30 divided by 100 could be written as 3 divided by 10. 3 divided by 10. Now, this area of the shaded region could be written as integration from 0 to 1. Area of the line x, this is y is equal to x, this curve, minus area of the parabola x power n into dx. This will be equal to 10. So this has been reduced to very simple integration. So this could be, after solving this, so you get integration of x is x square divided by 2 minus integration of x power n is x to the power of n plus 1 divided by n plus 1. Limits from 0 to 1. This is equal to 3 divided by 10. So now what you do? Substituting the upper limit and lower limit. First upper limit, put x is equal to 1. So this could be 1 divided by 2 minus 1 divided by n plus 1, and the lower limit is 0, so it will be 0. This is equal to 3 divided by 10. So on solving this, 1 divided by 2 minus 1 divided by n plus 1 is equal to 3 divided by 10, which implies 1 divided by n plus 1 is equal to 1 divided by 5, which gives me n plus 1 is equal to 5. Therefore, value of n is 4. Next question. Find the area bounded by the curve x square is equal to 4y and y square is equal to 8x. So this is based on a simple trick that if you have two parabolas, these two given equations or two curves are parabolas. So in order to find the area bounded between two parabolas which are of the form x square is equal to 4ay and y square is equal to 4bx. So if you have two parabolas of this form, then area is given by 16ab divided by 3 square units. That's it. So if you have y square is equal to 4ay, x square is equal to 4ay and y square is equal to 4bx, then area will be 16ab divided by 3 square units. So in the first case, the given equation x square is equal to 4y, on comparing with this 4a is equal to 4, so value of a is 1, and for second curve 8 is equal to 4b, therefore value of b will be 2, hence the area will be a is equal to 16ab divided by 3, that is 32 divided by 3 square units. Very simple. So just I have found the values of a and b by comparing with the standard equations x square is equal to 4ay and y square is equal to 4bx. So if you have this format, then the area bounded between the curves will be 16ab divided by 3. Also, if you have y square is equal to 4ax and x square is equal to 4ay, so in this case the area could be written as 16a square divided by 3 square units. So in the previous case you had 16a into b divided by 3, but here values of a and b both are equal, so 16a into a, that will be a square divided by 3. So you can generalize to this form also. Eradu kade a ne idre, then area bounded will be 16a square divided by 3. If you have different terms like 4a and 4b, then you can make use of this formula, that is 16ab divided by 3. One more example. So x square is equal to 4y and y square is equal to 4x. So formula what you have, 16ab divided by 3. So you need to find the values of a and b. So compare this with x square is equal to 4ay. So x square is equal to 4ay antandra 4a will be equal to 4. So value of a will be 1. And here when you compare y square is equal to 4ax or 4bx, so 4b will be 1 and value of b will be 1 divided by 4. So what will be area? Area is equal to 16. A value is 1. Value of b is 1 by 4 and divided by 3. So 4 ones are 4 4s are 16. Therefore area is 4 by 3 square units. Next question. The points of intersection of the parabolas y is equal to x square and x is equal to y square are 0, 0 and 1, 1. Then the area enclosed between them is option A 4 by 3, option B 2 by 3, option C 1 by 3 and option D 5 by 3. So this is also a very simple question. We can make use of direct formula that I had given earlier, that is 16ab divided by 3 square units. So just here you need to find the values of a and b. Don't concentrate on these points 0, 0, 1, 1. Adeno necessary illa. Just we want the area of the area bounded between the parabolas. So now x square is equal to y and y square is equal to x. These are the two parabolas that they have given. So x square is equal to 4ay. So on comparing with that, 4a will be equal to 1. 4a will be equal to 1 and value of a will be 1 divided by 4. Value of a is 1 divided by 4. Here on comparing this equation with y square is equal to 4bx. So value of 4b is 1 and b is equal to 1 divided by 4. Therefore, we have a and b values to be 1 by 4. Therefore, area will be 16. Value of a is 1 by 4. Value of b is also 1 by 4 divided by 3. 4 ones are 16 cancels. So, area is 1 by 3 square units. That is option C. Next question. The area of the region bounded by the parabola x square is equal to 4y and x is equal to 4y minus 2 is option A 5 by 4, option B 9 by 8, option C 3 by 4 and option D 7 by 8. This question was asked in JEE 2019. JEE 2019 ಒಳಗೆ ಈ ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಕೇಳಿದ್ರು. So for this question also you have a ready-made formula, that is area between a parabola and a line. Area between parabola x square is equal to x square is equal to 4by and the line y is equal to mx plus c and the line y is equal to mx plus c. So if you have these two curves, then the area is given by area is equal to 72b square into m cube. 72b square into m cube, where m will be the slope of this line, y is equal to mx plus c. So on using this formula, you get the answer directly. So let us try this. Given equation, that is given parabola x square is equal to 4y. So on comparing 4b with 4, you get value of b to be 1. Yes, value of b is 1. And what about this line? X is equal to 4y minus 2. If you put this in the form of y is equal to mx plus c, so this will be y is equal to x by 4 plus 1 by 2. X by 4 plus 1 by 2. So here the value of m comes out to be 1 by 4. So on substituting b is equal to 1 and m is equal to 1 by 4 in this area, so you get the required answer. That is area is equal to 72 b square. 1 square is 1 into 1 by 4 cube. So this will be 72 into 1 divided by 4 into 4 into 4. That will be 4 4s are 16, 16 4s are 64. This comes out to be 9 divided by 8, which is option B. Option B will be the right answer. So simply by using this formula, x square is equal to 4y is a parabola and y is equal to mx plus c is a line. So if you want to find the area bounded between a parabola and a line, then you can make use of this formula, which gives you 72b square into m cube.